There's a sound that's infecting the world. Something terrible is out there. If you're quiet, you can hear it. Shh. Listen. Do you hear it? The clicking noise coming from just beyond the horizon. It comes on slowly, like the sleepy drip of a leaky faucet. It's faint at first, but once you hear it, it grows louder, 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 like a wet tongue striking against the top of a mouth. Your thoughts give it life. Hear it, and it's alive. The sound you cannot unhear, the sound that will never leave, the sound of sickness.